Are you ready for the medium difficulty? The first medium difficulty?
I am ready, although we need to point out, we don't know what type of difficulty this is called. We know that there's
right.
low and there is high, and the one in the middle did not get a name.
The yellow difficulty.
The yellow 2 out of 3, what looks to be medium ordinal difficulty. It's just, it's medium, but it's not uppercase, right? Because the uppercase is all the technical terms that they have defined. Okay.
It is the middle child difficulty.
It's the middle child difficult. Everyone knows the middle children are the most difficult. I don't know where you are in the child old.
I'm an only child.
You're an only. Okay.
So I'm my special section
I am an older, meaning of the two of us, I am the older by a few years. But my kids are younger than my brother's kids, so it all kind of averages out.
Nice.
Okay, so this one's got lots of swirlies to it.
Oh yeah.
Oh good lord, that base.
Yeah, there's 38 base tiles.
Alright, I'm just gonna get the whole
Yeah.
right here. And no halvesies, that's interesting. Okay, I think we should start on that seam there, because that looks like that'll be the easy seam. I'm gonna go all the way to the left on this. Okay.
Right, and then we have 2 stacks of 4.
Alright, here is 1 stack of 4, if you would like to find a home for it. Goes directly there. And mine goes, it looks like, directly over that one?
I think so, yeah.
I think so. Yeah, they're supposed to connect to each other. Oh, I didn't notice that the white pieces actually flare out from the bases so that they connect without these having to touch knees. That's kind of cool.
Okay. It's like another 4 stack.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2s.
Leave right here. I would love the top down.
Yeah, I mean, this is almost a Zen exercise.
Yeah.
Like, let me enter the space.
Yeah.
Here's a couple of 2s.
Have to like gauge it. Here we go.
I mean, I'm sure by now someone in the comments has told us why the orthographic view is absolutely necessary, and I don't know what I'm talking about, so. Love you, commenters.
Yes.
I'm just gonna keep making stacks of 3, so you tell me otherwise. And I have the stack of 5 here whenever you're ready for it.
Okay.
It's called delegation, kids. You do the part you want, and then you just hand it off to the other person.
And it really works out when the part you don't want is what I want.
Hey, all right.
Yes. Very satisfying. That is teamwork. All right, stack of 5.
Stack of 5 is ready.
And
I feel like we're like building a constellation here, like it's like the dragon crab. Dragon crab. Oh, I never thought of that before. Okay.
that would be an awesome constellation.
I'm getting all sorts of Pathfinder ideas here today. Okay, it looks like we need 2 long tracks. Fancy schmancy. 2 medium tracks. 2 small but significant tracks. Another 3 marbles.
11 curves.
11 curves.
I have 10.
I have number 11.
There we go.
Or number 0. My fun joke. We need the releaser. There we go.
Releaser.
Alright, and the releaser is going on top again. Go. Okay, then I need
Looks like the end goes here.
Wow, it's all symmetric. Go. Oh, excuse me, this actually goes over this way. Cool. Track there. Oh, the ready a cannon. Here we go. I do wish I need to get like a magnetic wand or something to pull these out. It also helps that there's a really powerful magnet in there. I feel like. I wonder how. Maybe next we'll see how many marbles.
Yeah, I was thinking that the last time.
Drag off of that. Yeah. Alright, let's get a small track there. There.
these two.
Okay, thank you.
Here.
Alright, long track goes over here. Does that one go? Oh, this one is super layered. This? I put a third one there by mistake. Oh no, this one had the half stuck to it.
Oh.
Okay, there we go.
Found the half.
It's almost like they're half a block apart from each other. Well, sorry, go ahead. So it's fun to do with two people because like, I never know where you're reaching.
Oh yeah, it's great.
All right,
Just
last.
embrace the chaos.
Oh yeah, no, definitely. Last.
I know, I'm out.
Oh,
Completely dry.
I must have snatched one by mistake. Okay, and then this goes here. Oh, there's a lot to check on this one. Okay, so it comes up and lands here.
Okay.
Okay, red marble?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Oh, this looks great.
Give us a countdown, please.
Let's do the countdown. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that I think it was the longest time we've had so far.
Mhm.
All right, so this goes back here. All right.
I wonder what the like odds are that this would eventually like pop out here and you
Well-
can like continue the track.
Yeah, so I think it's specific. See how this thing jostles
Yeah,
around in
yeah.
here. I think that is specifically designed to rob the ball of some kinetic energy, so that it does not have enough to come up here.
Yeah.
But I mean, that does depend on how fast it's going through, right? So
Yeah.
I mean, if you had it come in from a if you had this one come in from very high, and then it pops out of the magnetic cannon to get a little more speed, and if it goes directly in there,
Mhm.
I mean, we can try that. So let's get this one right here. Sticking like the dickens there. Okay. And so this coming in from pretty high. We'll have this go into the magnetic cannon.
Oh.
I mean, it helps that it's going directly to a
Yeah,
wall, right?
that's
It's
true.
going to tend to go in a straight line, but it hopped pretty good there. Query. What happens if you put a third marble there? Does it get even more rambunctious? Oh, did you see that jump?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know if it's ever in a design that you put more than one marble on the other side of the magnetic cannon, but if you do that, it can get a pretty significant jump. You know, I'm wondering if the
Is
camera
it
can...
proper to say that a ball just did a flip?
It probably did rotate it, which is
Yeah.
another thing, right? It's going to lose some energy to rotate it. You know, we need to get this where the camera can see it. Oh, sorry. Speaking of embracing the chaos. Okay, so let's get this one here.